Edifier, the world-class award-winning company, has been making impressive lineups of earphones for every type of listener out there. They've always made design that are beautiful and comparable to some of the big brands out there, and I'm definitely one that loves their design and performance. Today we're taking a look at their latest offering and to see if these earbuds is any good. Welcome to a review of the Edifier X3. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing. If that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's take a look at a review of the Edifier X3. Taking a break from the AirPods alternatives, we're now looking at another beautiful offering from Edifier. This earbuds is designed very similarly to the Edifier TWS1, which we looked at a while back. The TWS1 was definitely one of the more popular budget earbuds from Edifier because of its performance and price ratio. So we're excited to see if Edifier is giving its own TWS1 a run for its money. Let's take a look. And if you're interested in checking out the TWS1, I'll leave a link up here so you can check out that review after this video. I've personally got the X3 for about 129 Malaysia ringgit, and that translates to roughly around US 45. I'll leave my links in the description below, so if you're interested in getting these earbuds, you can check out some of the latest prices there. The X3 is designed with a very similar platform to the TWS1 with very big differences that makes these earbuds a better option. We first start off with the case of the earbuds, and when you pick this out of the box, you notice how light and tiny these earbuds actually is. I'm seriously very impressed with how Edifier managed to squeeze all these technology in such a small case, where some big name manufacturers can't even put in decent specs into their clunky, large flagships. The X3 has a very nice plastic matte black case and also comes in matte white. The biggest benefit of this to the TWS1's glossy case is that it hides scratches a lot better than the TWS1. And the TWS1 does get scratched up really easily after a long time of use. The entire case feels light, but it doesn't feel cheap at all and feels very solid and tightly built together. The top of the case, there is a very nice Edifier branding there, so this is like a copper colorish, and the entire case is matte black, so it's a very good combination of colors there. At the back of the case, there is a micro USB charge port, which is very unfortunate in 2020. I really hope no manufacturer actually goes back to micro USB, and it's one of the less attractive features of these earbuds. So the earbuds itself holds about 6 hours of battery life, which is 2 hours less than the TWS1, and the case provides an additional 18 hours of battery life. So it should give you about a full day's worth of battery, capable of charging the earbuds a total of 3 full cycles. The entire earbuds as well as the case charges up in 2 hours. So for this price point, we're not seeing any wireless charging or any quick charging feature in these earbuds, and that would be a very nice feature to have, of course. But however, at this price point, it's not really fair to expect some of those features on these earbuds. So the earbuds themselves has a very nice design and it's almost identical to the TWS1. I have a lot of luck with Edifier's earbuds that they fit my ears very nicely out of the box. However, finding the right ear tips for these earbuds is very important so it doesn't create that vacuum seal in your ear canals. The earbuds of the X3 also has a matte finish overall and is super beautiful with this X logo in front. So no annoying bright lights here of these earbuds, and if the battery does go low, it will blink red, and there's a light indicator all the way in front here, very subtle, very small. The range of features on the budget line of Edifier Edifier is not as impressive as some of their flagships, so we're not gonna see any balanced armature drivers, just simple dynamic drivers. There are no wireless charging, no quick charging, but then again, what you're getting with these earbuds is simply the convenience of carrying a small earbuds around that will last you the entire day, without all the fancy bells and whistles that might drive up the price. What these earbuds have though is Qualcomm's latest Bluetooth 5.0 chip, and a good one in this case. It provides you with apEx codec and SBC codec support, so it gives you great and stable Bluetooth connection as well as low latency transmission for you to enjoy movies and videos, and we'll talk about latency in a little bit in the video. And these earbuds also supports IP55 rated, dust and water resistant. Edifier says in their website that these are dust and water resistant, and yeah, it looks pretty sealed up, and the IP55 is sufficiently high enough for you to go about your day using it in the gym, and it will also be safe if you get caught under the rain. But then again, these earbuds are not rated to be swimming earbuds, so please don't bring them swimming. So connecting the Edifier X3 is a very simple process. So all you gotta do is take out the left side or the right side of the earbuds, and you should see it flash in red and blue like this. So what you gotta do is press on scan, and your phone should detect Edifier X3. Click on that, and it should ask you for a confirmation. Click on OK, and there you go. So your Edifier X3 is now connected to your phone. And since these earbuds don't have the true wireless stereo plus style of connection, so you can't actually seamlessly swap between earbuds, but rather you have to connect both of the earbuds to your phone in order to use it on mono mode. So the sound quality of the X3 is somewhat similar to the TWS1, with the X3 doing slightly better in terms of bass performance. Again, these two earbuds are slightly on the flatter end of the spectrum, and that's how it is. The X3 gets very loud, and when you play it loud enough, you start to hear some bass slowly creeping in. At lower volumes, the bass is not as present compared to other in-ear style earbuds. However, the X3 produces very clear, high quality sound signature. It provides you with all the clarity you need, and for music that involves a lot of instruments, these are the earbuds that helps you separate all of those instruments all in the music. The earbuds also gives you a very unique, very airy feel. Funnily, you don't feel a lot of that pressure when using these earbuds. The overall sound stage is also very wide, giving you the feeling of spatial, like what you'll get in a bigger headphones. I'm truly very surprised with what these earbuds can deliver in terms of sound signature. Where the TWS1 feels a little bit teeny, the tiny X3 definitely outperforms the TWS1 in terms of the soundstage. In terms of the call quality of the X3 is generally very impressive thanks to the Qualcomm CVC 8.0 technology. It provides you with very clear call quality with or without a noisy background. Many earbuds we've tested with noise cancelling are quite different. Some literally cancels out the background noise, some just makes your voice come through very clearly even in noisy background. So let's take a look at the call quality performance of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not the Edifier X3 is a good earphones for phone calls. So what I'm doing now is talking into the microphone without any background or ambient noise, and I believe the sound does come through very well. So what I'm going to do now is turn on the ambient noise, and you should be able to hear a difference. So now I have a simulated background noise playing as a background, and this is how the call quality sound like even in noisy environments, and I think that CVC 8.0 technology does work pretty well. So again, this is a call quality test on the Edifier X3. In terms of latency, overall latency control is very good, and there is no noticeable delay while watching YouTube or Netflix. I also try a little gaming on this, but it seems that it's very minor delay during gaming. I would like to see more earbuds adopting the aptX LL, which is low latency, and that would really help with gaming performance. Anyway, let's take a listen to the latency performance of the X3. So this is a test to see whether or not the Edifier X3 has a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone, and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And with that, you should be able to tell whether or not the Edifier X3 actually has a latency problem. So Edifier seems to not be innovating in terms of the controls, and if one thing that I really want to pick on these earbuds is the lack of controls in their offering. So you get the basic controls, but you're definitely not getting volume controls on these. So to play or pause or pick up phone calls, simply quick tap on either side of the earbuds and it should play or pause your media. And to skip forward, simply double tap on the right earbuds. And to skip backwards, simply triple tap on the right earbud and it will triple tap and go back. And one additional feature is to call out your assistants, and all you gotta do is press and hold on the right side earbuds for about 3 seconds, let go, and it should pull out your assistant. So that's basically the controls of the Edifier X3. So overall, if you're in the market to get a pair of earphones with good sounding quality, good call quality, decent specs, and has good IP rating to get you through the day, definitely consider these earphones, as it's definitely one nice tiny pair of earbuds that you can carry around. The main key differences between the X3 and the TWS1 is that the TWS1 has an 8 hours playback time and the others are pretty much the same. So if you want to have that extra juice, maybe consider the TWS1 instead, and I'll leave a link up here so you can go check out some of the older videos there. So that is it for this review, and if you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video to all your friends everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.